Hey, my name is Chuck Hadden. I attend Galen here at the Nashville campus, a 2-year ADN program. I chose Galen, one, because it's local to me. They've got campuses spread out across America. And the ability to choose a school, decide this is the route that I want to go, and then go after it was the big thing for me. They have programs that are continually going. You don't have to wait till a certain time of year. This has been a great experience. All of the staff here, the instructors, the teachers, the clinical instructors, they're all amazing. They have all come from multiple years in the field, actually doing the things that we're training to do. So when they talk, you listen to them, you understand, they know what they're talking about. They have bits of wisdom that you try to pick up, you try to use it to better yourself. And just like anything, when you're learning, you take all of it, what works best for you, you put that to use. And that's how I have been successful.